Yeah. Fuck nigga. I'm fresh to death in my truck fit. You fake as hell on that fuck shit, bitch. I just want a bad bitch to smoke a blunt with. Always strapped, bitch, I ain't the one to fuck with. Flyer than the Air Force, strapped like the military. You better make a reservation to the cemetery. My cousin got the cheap price for that soft white. I'm so cold, bitch, I'm suffering from frostbite. Everything is stendo, fat blunt and my dick long. He only turned his head for a second, his chick gone. I hit it, quit it, and forget I ever did it. If you ain't smoking loud pack, then I ain't even with it, bitch. My new girl steady tripping by my old thing. She threw the neck and tried to hang like a gold chain. I'm rolling, pocket swollen, police patrolling. And if you see me with this girl, then she probably stolen. I keep it hood, chrome pistol, white fitted. And if this girl got potential, then I might hit it. I ain't even flexing, get that ass a sneak peek. All my niggas trapped and we a bang bang like Chief Bang. This nigga put you in a deep sleep. I grew up on Broadway, bitch, I keep heat. I'm a beast, I stay in grind mode. My heart dark like I rap it in the blindfold. So I hit it and I'm riding like a 10 speed. Bitch, I had 6 pounds when I was 16. Don't make my niggas have to put you on the news, boy. So tell Rihanna to come and fuck with a rude boy. In high school, I had a revolver in my backpack. Trying me is bad luck like a black cat. Ink my whole body, empty the whole shotty. Just get this money, don't give a fuck about nobody.
Girls on my stick, Harry Potter, Little Pigs, I'm a wolf, Taylor Lautner. Don't get caught up when brought up, I ain't had no father, ain't bothered, call that shit Skywalker. Cause I'm Skywalker, yeah, I'm high talking. Don't trust nobody cause you know these niggas lie often. They don't know themselves, so I gotta stay strapped up and carry this piece like Nobel. MOK, Malcolm X, seeing through these niggas 3D Mirror Max. Check my syntax, check my connotation. Have you witnessed that my verbiage use is so amazing? When I say thrax, it is just another phrase describing how I use my time indulgent to a better place. Can't relate, it's relative. Funny how relationships will make you act benevolent. Take fake to another level, yeah. Real life, real shit.